Hello designer, welcome back to Design Coach. How to design a wireframe in Figma. At the last part we designing the wireframes in the Figma. So let's start with the Figma. In this part we are designing testimonial section in Figma as a wireframe. First I see there is a one small text and heading. So I just pull down this section again. We have one divider and I just heading section title, and in this we don't have any text, just remove it. In this just add the photo. Okay, there is a no button, so I just let me remove this. Okay, again I just need to add view all text, so I just go and give the basic style base symbol. We just create the photo in center. Maybe we have some small heading here, subheading, we just add it to here. In this we just add subheading. Now just move on. After creating this, we are creating this section, one circles and the name of testimonial owner and content. I just on the grid creating one. I am just using the 4 pixels rules. I am just use 104 and 896 88. Okay, this one is perfect for me. And now the small name of testimonial, I just go through the name 20. After this we have one lorem ipsum text. I just duplicate this text and using it here and convert it into for grid. Select this both text and give auto layout and select this, and after this I just convert into auto layout. Okay, now we have a one testimonial and we need to padding to a full entire space. I just give 24 and 24, and I need 24 pixel space between this 24, and I just give the base color of this, and this color is matched with that. I just go through and highlight these sections. Okay, so here is the, we can just assume name of testimonial. In this area we have just cover the 4 grid, sorry, we can cover just 4 grid and select fill container. Here is the result. We just need in the top. We can use till the 6 column grid and again this 6 column grid. So it will be create our testimonial section, and we can just convert this both into auto layout. So it will be one section. Select this and select this both into one section. Now I just duplicate this divider, and here is the one our testimonial section will be ready. To watch my video, if you like my video, then hit the like button and share, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.